Hi, let us learn today about the clock in Norwegian. First, let us see how you will ask for a question about the time. Spørsmål or question. Hva klokka? Hvor mange klokka? Hvor mye klokka? These are the three ways in which you can ask for the time. And the svar or the answer will be Den klokka XXX or klokka XXX, and when you write KL, it is the short form of klokka. So whenever you're writing about the time, you will always precede it with the letters KL. The hour is called time, though it is written as time, but it is pronounced as time, time. Minute or minuter is the plural, and second and sekunder are how they spell seconds. Now, if you have to say, I'll be back in just a minute, you'll say et øyeblikk. Et øyeblikk, which means just a minute or just a second, or I'll be right back. So, or wait for a minute. So you'd say et øyeblikk. Now let us see about the time. The Norwegian clock is divided in 4 equal parts or 4 quarters. As you can see in the figure 1, I have written over, and in figure 2, I have written på, and on 3 it's over, and on 4 again it's på. This will be better understood by examples. Let us say now the time is 3 o'clock or klokka 3. Now how do we say 5 minutes past 3 or 3:05? We will say 5 over 3 because it's in the first quarter. 5 over 3. Similarly, if it's 10 past 3 or 3:10, it is T over 3. And when it's 3:15, we say kvart over 3. Now when the minute hand has come into finish the first quarter and come into the second quarter, we start using the word på. So if the time is 3:20, it is ti på halv 4. From here on, after the first quarter, we start using the next hour. We no longer use the previous hour like in English. For example, if it's 3:20, we are still saying 3. Or if we are saying in English, we will say it's 20 past 3. Okay, but they are basically saying it is still 40 minutes to 4. So they are basically saying it's 40 minutes to 4, which is ti på halv 4. And when it is 3:25, they will say 5 på halv 4. Halv is half, so it's 10 på halv 4. And 3:25 is 5 på halv 4. At 3:30, they'll say halv 4 or half an hour to 4. At 3:35, they will say 5 over halv 4. And at 3:40, it is t over halv 4. The v here is silent. So they are basically saying it's 10 minutes over halv 4, over 3:30. So that means there are 20 minutes left for Klokka 4. At 45, it becomes kvart på 4. There's quarter hour left to Klokka 4 or 4 o'clock. At 3:50, it is 10 på 4 and 3:55 is 5 på 4. So you can, if you notice carefully, you will begin to see a pattern and the clock becomes easy. It's 5 over 3 and 5 på 4. 10 over 3 and 10 på 4. So you will begin to see the pattern. In the beginning, it is difficult to learn it by heart, but in a few days, it becomes easier and obvious. Let us summarize. Sammendrag. The first and the third quarter are written with the letter over, and the second and fourth quarter, the letter på is used. So if it is x, if the time is x, we can say 5 over x, t over x, kvart over x. And then it is always x plus 1. T på halv x plus 1, and so on.